In today's video, we will see how to export all applications using the Okta Apps collection in Postman. To complete this tutorial, you will need an Okta tenant and the Postman API platform. It is recommended to use a test environment when performing these steps. First, navigate to the Okta Postman collection page and click the Run in Postman button next to the Apps collection. This will open Postman and ask which workspace to import the collection to. Choose a workspace and click the Import button. After the import, the app's API collection should appear in the left sidebar of the Postman app. Next, you will need to set up the environment by following the steps mentioned in the article in the description. We will use the List Apps API call. Click on Send. The response received will be a 200 OK along with all the data. Click Save Response to a file. It will download a JSON file. Use a desired third-party tool to convert the JSON file to a CSV file. Once the CSV file is downloaded, filter it as required. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, we encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.